Hello everyone and welcome back to our watch reviews. I'm the watch artisan and watch collector from Southern Europe. The latest watch I got is a Russian watch. It's a real masterpiece. Started from Soviet Union. Maybe you guessed it right, it's a Vostok watch. So now let's see, this is the package the watch comes in. Together we will unbox it and review the watch. Protective foam. And here is the watch. What you can probably notice immediately, like all things from Russia, it's really robust and high quality looking. It has a diameter of 41 millimeters and case thickness of 12.4 millimeters. The watch dial is really mesmerizing with this blue color. Of course, it has a sapphire glass. What you can see here is a really cool detail, which is a submarine. Of course, it's a sign of its really high water resistance. This one comes with a rubber bracelet, which is really handy for diving and other outdoor activities. So let's see how the watch looks on my hand. We'll do a wrist roll. It is really ergonomic and fits nicely. The rubber bracelet is of high quality. Of course, the watch is with no imperfections. It has a counterclockwise rotating bezel. All Vostok Amphibia watches have in-house movements. It is automatic Vostok movement. And from my honest opinion, for the price, it's one of the best buy watches. Let me know what you think. Write down in the comments. Thank you for watching.